All right, so I'm back outside in my Pineapple Press Annex, which is, of course, the garage of my house. So you can actually see a press right there if you probably are one of those. I'm working on a Poco proof press and trying to clean it up and get a few years of grime and rust off it. Thought I'd take you along on the process. So here's where I'm at. My father-in-law and I took apart the press a couple weekends ago, and I slapped it back together just loosely, nothing bolted down or anything, just so that it would all be in one place. I've kind of taken a layer of rust off with some secret ingredient ketchup, because ketchup will stick to things. And so now I'm taking off a layer of WD-40 and ketchup so that I can put on some rust remover, a spray gel that I've never noticed before, but I'm going to try it out, see how it goes. I thought I'd take you along on the process. First step is to take off my ketchup and my grease so that I can get to the rust. My favorite degreaser is, of course, Dawn. If it works on penguins, it'll work on a press. You can see that I've got, not only do I have rust, but I've got some speckling. You can see that. So I'm gonna try to get this level because this is the press bed. And part of doing that is trying to get it all off. So here we are. All right, so I am outside. I am spraying whatever this rust remover is on the press bed, and I now have my mask on, and I bought these super fancy tear resistant gloves. So I got that on. It says to let it sit for a half an hour. I'm just gonna smooth it out with a rag. I have no idea if I need to do this, but actually, you can kind of see where I sprayed it and where I'm smoothing it out. Maybe I'll just keep doing this for a bit. See how we do. I lied. Leave it sit for half an hour. Follow instructions. Alright, so here is the slightly wet, slightly dry press bed. After I put on the gel cleaner and Rust-Oleum rust removal, if you rust remover, if you're out there, this stuff looks pretty cool. There was no metal shining before, no metal shining through, so I've got metal. You can see where I was wiping the whole time. Kind of okay with that, because now I'm going through with my brush, just for a little smoothness to try to get all the rest of the rust, and then I'll probably reapply the rust remover. But here we go. Alright, it's getting there. So you can see I got a bunch of pitting. And sorry, I'm talking through my mask. But we have metal. So that's awesome. Hundred-year-old printing press coming back to life. It's not too far now. Got a little bit left, but man, it is looking great. Love it. But one of the cool things that I got with this press is this cabinet. This cabinet is gorgeous, and it is one of those things that's really hard to find with these presses. So I want to keep it kind of in good condition that I can use it. I want to be able to clean it up and just quickly and get it so that I can use it. I don't want to do a full restoration on this thing because, let's be honest, this is a barn find. I kind of like that story. I like that it was something that was pulled out of a pole barn, and I want to keep that with it. So with some help from my eldest son, I was able to lower this into my subterranean letterpress layer, known as Pineapple Press Design. I've got it set up. It's looking fabulous. I love it. The only problem is I didn't record that, so we gotta do it again.
No. Okay.
Okay then.